everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Emily. If you've been here before, thank you very much for your love and support, and if you're new here, you're welcome. To all my new subscribers, I just want to say a massive thank you for subscribing. I really appreciate your support. This video is to show how I use the Tower 5-in-1 digital air fryer oven to cook some frozen sausage rolls. Before we get into the video, please, if you've not subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe and turn up the notification bell so you can be notified when I post new videos. Thank you very much. So this is the sausage roll that I will be using. It's from Iceland and it's a GREGGS brand, and it's 4 sausage rolls in the pack. £2 for 4 sausage rolls. The cooking instruction says to cook in the oven for 25 minutes, either in a fan oven at 200 degrees centigrade or a gas oven at gas max 7. But because I will be using an air fryer, that would be a fan oven, so I would go with the 25 minutes at 200 degrees centigrade. Comes like this. 4 sausage rolls. I'm going to put 1, 2 on one, giving adequate space, and put the remaining 2 on the other rack. So I've got 4 pies on 2 separate racks. So this is my air fryer, and I'm just going to put the racks into the air fryer now. I placed them on these 2 lower racks. And I've just spaced it out like that. So that is it done. Now I'm going to open the air fryer and have a look. Right. This is what it looks like when it's been cooked for 25 minutes. This is the oil that came out of the sausage rolls. Now to see if it's fully cooked. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye for now.